Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a product review for you guys. This is a teleprompter from Leeventi. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try one out. And it came really quick. It was on Amazon. It comes out of the box like this. It has a remote control here for it so that you can pause it. Your teleprompter, you can pause it, you can fast forward, do whatever you need to do with it while you have the words up on the screen. You've also got a phone adapter if you're wanting to use a phone with it. You have the pieces you need in a little bag to put it all together. It's super simple as far as where everything, you don't need any tools putting this together, which is great. You've got little rubber pads that come in handy keeping your tablet or your phone in place. You've got little clips which are for the fabric screen to keep the light from going in outside of the camera. You've got the I guess a washer here to put underneath your either your camera or your phone possibly. We'll test that out. You've got the screw for your camera and for your phone base here. And then you have the little attachers to put it all together. I will say the one thing is that they do not come with an instruction list at all. There isn't one in the box. They do show you where to get the Teleprompter app for their products. You can get it on both Google Play and the App Store. They also show you how to use the remote control with the Bluetooth and all of that. So that's good. So I am going to pause the video and get this put together and then come back and show you the finished product. Okay, so I've got the initial parts set up. I wanted to just show you how easy some of the bits are to put in, okay? So you have these panels that you put together. They are a little difficult, but if you slide them in and instead of trying to put them like in right here, if you slide them in, they're a lot easier. So that's what I did with both. And then you put these tiny little connectors and you put them in the holes. Just make sure that they go all the way down. And sometimes the panel, if you push it all the way, the holes won't line up. So you just have to make adjustments when you're putting it together. You get your little connectors pushed in. Now I'm going to tell you, this piece did come with a film on it. I just pulled it off, so you got your black panel here. You can also do the same with this. If you prefer the black, you can take the film off of this panel as well. You can see right here that it's already peeled a little bit, and there's black under there as well. So you can do that. Next, we're going to put these on where the screws kind of popped up or are popped through. Let's see if I can get one of these dots off. So we've got the ones here. I'm going to put that right over top of it. And then this one here, we're just gonna put the little foam dot so that it covers that up. And I did the screws the other way through the top. You could do it either way, I'm sure. And then just take your foam dot and cover it up. And then the ones that you have left, you can use to keep, if you're having this tilted at all, you can use the foam dots to keep your tablet or phone, because either one will work. You can use a tablet here, or you can use your phone. And I'm borrowing my daughter's tablet to do this. So yeah, and then with the one up here, you can use a phone or a camcorder. So next we're going to, I'm going to put that aside. We're going to put this in. This is your clear reflection panel. It's just going to slide in right here. Yes, this is it doesn't look clear, but there is a strip of plastic on here that you have to peel off, and it is on both sides. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to pause the video while I pull this off so that you guys don't have to hear that noise. Okay, so as you can see, a lot more clear now. And then you just slide it in to the holes. Like I said, it is easier just to slide it in than it is to try to force it in through the side. So I'm just gonna, oh, sorry, I'm hitting the camera. I'm just gonna pull this down. Oh, see? And that's one thing I've found on this. It is sometimes they do slide out, but it actually, as you're putting it together, it becomes more stable, and it's actually not bad. I actually like it. It's pretty neat how it goes together. So you push it all the way down, and then you can see my window there. But that is the finished product. You can see right here, you know, it's clear. Now, when you're filming, the words will appear. Let's see, I'm gonna move it this way. The words will appear right here on this piece of glass, and your camera is going to be recording right here, and you won't see any of that. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to show you with this. You can pick whichever hole you want your camera in, or the phone, depending on how big each of them are. And you can, probably going to be easier to do it this way. You can put the washer, let's see if it will work this way. I'm sure it probably will, but I'm going to put the washer there. Okay, yeah, see, so it doesn't work that way. I'm not sure if it would work this way. Now, if you are finding that you need a washer in between, and this washer is just a little too big, yeah, it's a little too big for that, you can always just use a plain washer. It's really not going to make that big of a difference. But we're going to go ahead and put you can either have it, you can have it both ways too, depending on how you want to record. You've got one here. Let's see if I can get this to get on there. You can do it like this, just like that, or you can turn it and have it this way. and set your phone in like that. It depends on what kind of phone you have, you know, and how you're going to have it recording. But it does expand so that you can have a larger, if you have a larger phone, which I do, which I am recording with my phone right now, so I can't show you that, but it is larger. So you have that. The last thing you have to do is take your fabric, slide it over top of your box, and you're going to secure it in a couple of places so that it stays put. So we are, you know what, I bet it goes this way. It kind of looks like it's the same, like it's a square. All right, so I'm gonna push this back so you can see. Well, maybe it does go that way. All right, there we go. So you want to take your clips that you get, and you want to clip it onto the clear plastic piece that's in here. Okay, and then you want to clip it pretty much anywhere else you think you should, just so that the light stays out of the box. So you're just going to clip it around where you think you need it the most, but you do want to have at least the 2 clips here at the front. Okay. And that's it. That is your teleprompter box. You can see here, that is your teleprompter box right there. It's really neat. It's small and definitely portable. So you could take this wherever you need to go. It's very lightweight as well, so you don't have to worry about carrying something heavy around with you. So yeah, if you guys are interested, if you guys, you know, because I know some of you record showing your faces, and this would be great if you were wanting to do a script for your video. This would be perfect to use. So I will leave their link down below so you can go check them out. And I'm going to put their package here because that does have their website right here, but I will also have it linked below. But yeah, go check them out. They also do sell on Amazon. I know they do on the US. I'm pretty sure they do in Canada as well, but I'm not 100% sure. But you can look it up on there. So again, I will have the link down below so you guys can go and check it out and see what you think. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.